James, you like that bottle? Do you like Mama's water bottle? Yeah? Lift it. Try to carry it. Try to carry it, James. Try. You have music class today?
Yes.
Do you have music class today? Where are you going?
Mommy.
Where are you going, baby James? Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy in Portland, Oregon. Hi, Daddy in Portland. Oh, you're drinking water? You thirsty? Are you thirsty, baby James? Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? I have to film you. I have to Oh, what? Uh-oh, Mama can't film and climb on me at the same time. Oh, that's my towel.
You took Mommy's towel.
You took my towel and my water bottle? Are you going to the gym? Are you going to go to the gym?
Drinking water. James.
It's cold outside, James boy.
37.
It's cold outside. You dress warm.